Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be playing some Bed Wars. We're going to do this thing. We're in a custom match, of course, and we have been doing this for 10 minutes already, and we are doing the fishing rod thing, blah blah blah. We can only use the fishing rod to gather our materials, and also don't mind the noise my cat is running around. What did I buy blocks for? Let's just make a little deck. Right here. And we will be fishing. Hopefully, guys, if we get the golden fish. Hopefully. Okay? If we get the golden fish, I will be super happy with that. And we will get a bunch of materials. And we're starting off with an ironfish, of course. As always. Giving us some simple iron. And oh, we're glitched. Gonna step near. Fix it. We fixed the bug. Now we're going to be in that bug a few times. Ooh, a diamond fish. This is going to be really nice. Ooh, we got like 5 diamonds. Not bad. The diamonds are pretty much useless since we're in a custom match and there's nobody else to handle. But we're just trying to get as many materials as possible. No. We are just going to be fishing for the rest of our lives. We have become fishers. Fishers, guys, we're fishers. Oh. Got a special fish. And this isn't my first time getting a special fish. No, I just put it all in my inventory. That's all. See? Now, back to fishing. La 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 la. Oh, same thing. Whee. La la. La 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 la. We're getting iron for days, dude, guys. We're about to get full iron. Well, actually, at the end, at like the 30-minute mark, I'm going to keep my HP and we're going to fight a lot of penguins. I'm going to see how we handle them with our upgrades. That's actually something where diamonds are now useful and emeralds are actually a good thing to get. And the golden fish will still be even more better if we get it. Now, I don't know if you can get the golden fish in a custom match, but I hope you can. And I hope we will get it if we can. Because it's still, if we can, it's still a very low chance of even getting it, so. Now, guys, if you guys want to do this, you have to type in / space fishing rod _ rod, and I will show you how to spell that. Or you can see in the chat, and I will show you. If you're on mobile, I'll show you how to say underscore. But if you know how to say underscore, then that's fine. If you're on the keyboard, I don't know how to help you because I mainly don't use that. So yeah. And that's really the thing. Come here, iron fish. Give me your iron. Oh my god. I'm always losing this fish. Jeez. I have 200 iron and 15 emeralds and 29 diamonds. Gosh. We have to fight 90 of them. 90. And then at the 30-minute mark, all the materials we have, we gotta use them all up. And whatever we get, whenever we use up all the rest of our stuff, that's what we have to use for the final fight. If you guys think I can fight through 90 zombies without any help, hit the like button. Now we hopefully have enough diamonds for full armor prot. Oh, come here. Sheesh, we got 5. Not bad. Now we still need more diamonds to get armory and more emeralds. So let's try our best. And iron is also kind of useful. We could use that for blocks if we need to run. Well, how about this? No running. Only buying blocks for bow. Only getting iron for bows or something to attack. Some of those type of stuff. And ooh, emeralds. I will also need more emeralds for enchants, if I can get them. Hopefully I can get at least some type of enchant. Ooh, we got 6 this time. Well, hopefully we can get some type of enchant. If we can get enchantment table, hopefully we can get a bunch of diamonds in about 15 minutes. We have to fish forever, guys. And also, the only thing we can buy with these is blocks to extend the fishing deck. And at the 30-minute mark, we are no longer allowed to fish. And the penguins will win the game if they kill me. Because beds will be broken. And oh my god, Pandy is going on a rampage right now. Oh right, forgot to tell you. I have a cat. I totally forgot. Totally forgot to tell you that I have a cat now. Yay! Say hello to Pandy. She's like the best. I'll make a video about her, you guys. So yeah. But we gotta fish till we can no longer fish and blah blah blah. And now, guys, I need you to hit the like button, okay? I need you to hit that button for me, cause hold up, guys. Okay, fine. Ooh, we got some balloons. Yay! Okay. Hopefully we can get some more. Ooh, TNT. I guess that's okay. In a few minutes, beds are gonna break, but at that point, I don't really even mind. I really just need to get some stuff, because 10 minutes after beds break, then I will have to TNT actually. If I get three more stuff, I might have. If we could place balloons, I would have made a balloon bed defense. Funny. I don't think I would have been able to. Now, guys, hit the like button if you like my fishing skills. Hit the like button if you like my fishing skills. But hit the like button and the subscribe button if you think my fishing skills are good. Hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you think they are like the best fishing skills ever. Okay? Just don't do anything if you don't like them or say they're okay. I mean, that's fine. Any opinion is fine. Oh, right. Forgot to tell you, we can make a cool bed defense after this. Oh my gosh. I should make it right now for fun. But this is because it's just been non-stop fishing. And I can't keep getting special fish. I feel like I've gotten enough of these. I've gotten enough of these. And guys, look how hard it is to break this. It's so hard. break it. And once you do, yeah, if you have like 2 layers of this, oh, you're never breaking the bed in time. Like, jeez. I don't like these ironfish. I don't need them. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. I just had to do something yesterday, and that's gonna be happening. That's just gonna be happening for this video. Next video is probably not. It's gonna probably be gone since I record and upload the video at the same day mostly. Like I am. Since you guys are watching it right now, yeah, the day you're watching this, or if you're not watching this, the day it came out, whatever day it came out on, it was the day I was recording it. Sometimes I post one video I made before, and record a later video. I don't know, okay? Just a process. Ooh, diamond fish. Finally, something new. That's not an ironfish or a special fish. Oh, okay. Oh my god, stomach. You need to cut it off. Cut it out. Because I don't really like you and your rumbliness. You've been doing this all day. And I'm not hungry. I just ate. My stomach is today. Now we have another diamond fish. Yay! Let's see how many diamonds we can get. If we can't get damage, that is fine. Okay? That's fine. But hopefully we can get damage in time. That's fine if we can't. We can get damage, but maybe not damage too. Which I don't really mind. But there's so much stuff I need to get for the fight. Need emerald armor, emerald sword. At this point, I might not even be able to get emerald armor. Yeah, I'm probably not getting emerald armor. Yeah, there's no more collecting materials once the battle starts. There's no collecting materials. Well, it's all up to fishing for the next 10 minutes now. Now, guys, do you think I can survive this fight against like 70 penguins? Maybe even more than that. Ooh, emeralds. Yummy. Oh, that's enough for a diamond sword, but I don't really need a diamond sword. I'll get an emerald sword. Listen, 50 emeralds is enough to buy max armor protection and max damage. But we're also gonna need to get like 12 more armor protection. I mean, for armory and enchantments. So we really need 62 diamonds in total and some more emeralds. Hopefully we can get a golden fish because I've been fishing for 30 minutes with 0 golden fish, which I am surprised by. I mean, not surprised. Which I am not surprised by. It feels impossible to get a golden fish. So, come here. Diamond fish, I need you. 50. Okay, we have enough for max armor protection and sharpness, but we're not allowed to buy that until the 30-minute mark. So let's keep fishing. Since there really isn't anything to do besides fish, we gotta fish until we have to fight. And then for the fight, we have as much time as we want to stack up and like use all the stuff we got. 9 balloons. Getting knocked off will not be a problem. Come on. I don't really like getting iron fish anymore. But if we don't get it, that's just wasting time, not getting materials. Anything is fine. Getting an emerald may help us a lot. Oh, diamonds. That's actually perfect right now. We need those. 8. That's actually amazing. We only need 4. And then we're done with diamonds. We don't need any more. But we'll also need some emeralds. Oh, diamonds again. Let's go. I think we might be able to fully complete our diamonds. Okay, one more diamond. Next diamond fish we get, we are all set with diamonds. So hopefully we can get it in time, guys. Because we only have 5 minutes on the clock. Time is ticking. Oh, I jumped. I clicked the jump button on accident and I got out of the fishing thing. Whatever, it was an iron fish. It was fine. We already have 500 iron. Now we gotta catch some more diamond fish and emerald fish because those fish are really important right now. Hopefully a golden fish. No more special fish and iron fish. Those fish are pretty much useless right now. Okay, instead of getting the balloons, we have 12 balloons now. Yeah, that's the best part about fishing rod. You can get more than 6 balloons now with the fishing rod. Oh, another special fish. I do not like getting special fish anymore unless they're balloons. Okay, so stop giving me special fish. Okay, because I don't need TNT or fireballs or whatever this stuff is. Okay, I don't need it. Okay, that's something I need. Right there, that is something good. That's something good right there. 4 emeralds from there. Now we just need some more diamonds. Okay, we got 4 minutes left. We gotta hurry up and get these diamonds, get these some more emeralds, and then we'll be set. Oh my god, my stomach is having issues today. Iron fish, nope. I need a diamond fish or an emerald fish. No more special fish are needed, okay? Balloons, don't care. I don't need them. At this point, I have no choice but to take them. Sadly. I do not need iron, okay? It's hard enough to get emeralds, and getting emerald fish is really something I need. Because I'll only be able to get around close to 1 enchantment with this. And it has to be a good one. If it's not a good one, then I'll have to buy another one. So if I can't get any more emeralds, I won't be able to get a good enchantment. Stop giving me these. I don't want these at all. I have 20 TNT, okay? I don't need it. I don't need this stuff anymore. Balloons, I don't even need balloons anymore. I just need something good. I have like 2 minutes left. Please. Please, give me some diamonds at least. I'm not spawning any diamonds in, okay? We have to earn them from fishing. And hopefully we can get freak the emeralds. We have enough, okay? All we need now is diamonds. Not these stupid red fish. Diamonds. No more of this. I gotta get diamonds in the next 1 minute and 40 seconds. Okay? I don't got no time for that. No, I have no time for that. This actually saves time so I can easily get a good fish. Nope. I don't want that. Okay? I don't want that. I need diamond. Okay, listen. You're not giving me anything I want. Okay, I have freaking 1 minute until I have to spend all my stuff. And all I need from you is for you to give me some diamonds. That's all I need from you. Some diamonds. That's it. Okay? That's all I want. Is some diamonds. Please, I have 40 seconds. I don't want to. I want to get something. I don't know what to do. Emerald fish, I guess I'll take it. Come on, hurry up and take it. Okay, take it. Fish, fish, fish. Hurry up. I swear, if it's not diamonds. It's not diamonds. You know what? Okay, I make the rules. Extra 2 minutes. Extra 2 minutes. Okay? No, I don't want that. Okay? Extra 2 minutes. Because I need my diamonds. Okay? Listen, I ain't leaving without diamonds. Okay, I just need one more. Finally, thank you. Okay, now, time's up. We only got 30 seconds in today because we had diamonds. Now, we have to spend all of our stuff, get as much as we can. First off, enchantments. Second off, max damage. Third, max armor protection. Fourth, get enchantments. And then fifth, there's really nothing else I need. So the diamonds are nothing now. Let's put out this. Let's put out this. Now we can get an emerald sword. We can get a bow. And also we need... I'm only going to spawn them in once so I can get an enchantment because I was meant to do it but then I forgot, okay? Now we must go to mid. Slash spawn emerald one. Because we can go to go to mid. Oh. Okay. Now this is the best we could get. We have a crossbow. Oh crap, I forgot to get arrows. Yes. Get some arrows, some rocks, because we'll also need those. Okay, slash spawn. Head over to mid. Okay, so this is all we have. That's all we can use. Now, guys, are you ready to spawn in the army of ducks? Slash spawn monster. I'm going to spawn in 70 of them. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you, this is wave 1. There's 3 waves in this. In this fight, there's 3 waves. Killing him. Go, go, go. Jump. Just fall into the void. Give me some time to heal. Oh, they clutched it. That's okay. Orion fully healed. Go! Just jump. And die. Thank you. Die. Die. Okay, you need to die. There's only a few left. We can handle them. I'm missing it. Slipping. They're all gone. That was wave 1, guys. Oh, forgot to change myself and give myself 100 health because that's the normal health. Okay. It's time for round 2. So we got a slash spawn monster 80 this time since it's wave 2. And once we spawn them in, for some reason they always give us damage. See, that's what I'm confused about. How do you hurt me from that distance? Kill them. Got one. Guys, I don't know if we can make it. I don't think we'll make it. Okay. Guys, I don't know what to do. I don't think we're gonna make it. I think we're done. I'll give myself 5 more fishes before round 3. Whatever we get is what we use. Guys, hit the like button if you think we can make it. Because I hope we can. I have 10 now. There's really no point in diamonds no more. We just need to fish until we can no longer fish. This is the second time. If we're getting a special fish, it needs to be balloons. Because we're eventually going to have to jump in the void. If it's not balloons, then I need some emeralds for teleports. Okay, third fish. And second special fish. 1 diamond fish, 2 special fish. And I can't keep getting blocks. Okay, I don't need blocks. I need balloons for the final fight, which is 90 penguins. I don't need these. I could skip it once. Okay, that was the fourth one. It was crappy, so we skipped it, and we can still do our fourth one. There hasn't been a single iron. Okay, I take that back. I was saying hasn't been a single ironfish, and I was like, oh, I take that back. Okay, we can skip diamonds because we don't need diamonds. This is the final one. We need something good. We can't make it. No. I'm not stopping until I get emeralds. Or I'll just spawn them in myself. Okay, you know what? I'll just spawn them in myself. Because we also do need 6 spawns. No, if we follow them, it's pretty much over. Not because, even though we have balloons, because we can't handle jumping off only once and then being able to spawn. Okay, we have to spawn 90 now. / spawn monster. Oh. 90. Go! Pull out your sword! They hit me from a billion miles away. Okay, I'm back to full HP. Run. Just run from them. There's so many! Hit one. I'm killing them. Oh my god. I am so freaking flipping. Whoa. Run. No. Nope. Oh god. You're dead. You're God. You're gone. No! Okay, we only got like 20 kills from that, so we gotta spawn in more. / spawn monster. Let's just go 90 again. Run! Yeah, I'm dead. See, I told you. It lagged so hard. Well, we still won, okay? We still won. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah. Also, I have a Discord now. Join the Discord, please. Okay, we need more followers. Okay, and there are some rules. Rule number 1: no swearing. If you see someone swearing, just let me know, and I'll kick them. Rule number 2: just use them. If there is, I made some specific voice chats for Bed Wars, just chit chat, like those rooms. Use them in the way I've made them. I don't want you to join like the Bed Wars place and just chit chat and play other random games. And I want you to join the chit chat and playing random games as well. Okay? If you're in the chit chat area, I want you to chit chat with the other people in there. And if you're in the Discord area, if you're in the Bed Wars area, just play Bed Wars. Because I made those specifically for Bed Wars and talking to each other. I'll add more modes in the future, but that's all I have now. It's pretty small, and it'll get bigger eventually. So make sure to join that Discord. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.